Well, good evening. I am really pleased tonight to present the Gies Award for Outstanding Achievement by an academic dental institution to the Forsyth Institute. Forsyth was founded in 1910 with a bold ambition to provide dental care for every disadvantaged child in Boston. They're set to accomplish this ambitious goal through service, education, and advocacy. Let's see how in this next video.
The Forsyth Institute was founded in 1910 with a bold ambition to provide dental care for every disadvantaged child in Boston. 100 years later, the Forsyth Kids program brings dental care to children right in their elementary schools, serving more than 50 Massachusetts schools, and half a world away in the Mideast, the program operates in 40 clinics at 4 centers and 100 school clinics throughout Kuwait. Back at home, Forsyth Scientific Scholars Program offers high school students from the Boston Public Schools the opportunity to work in Forsyth laboratories under the mentorship of the Institute's senior scientists. Forsyth takes the responsibility of training the next generation of scientists seriously and devotes significant resources to this end. Additionally, Forsyth's Center for Evidence-Based Dentistry provides educational materials to dental professionals around the world, including the chief dental officers of several Latin American countries, helping them to adapt prevention-based models and creating websites and newsletters in Spanish, English, and Portuguese. In the area of research, Forsyth's research portfolio is unparalleled and has been in the top 4 in National Institutes of Health research funding since the 1960s, with the highest impact publication record in oral and craniofacial research over the last 40 years. Over the past century, Forsyth has attracted some of the top scientists from around the world. Many have significantly contributed to or made breakthroughs in oral disease and oral health, including the identification of specific proteins involved in enamel formation, the mechanisms of how fluoride prevents dental caries, the discovery of new diagnostic uses for saliva, and much, much more. Celebrating 100 years as a leader in scientific discovery, education, and the promotion of oral health worldwide is the Forsyth Institute.
Again, it's my honor to present the Gies Award for Outstanding Achievement to the Forsyth Institute. Here to accept on behalf of the Forsyth is its president, CEO, and a dear friend for over 30 years, Dr. Phil Stashenko.
Thank you very much, Peter, for those kind words, and thank you so much to the Gies Foundation for awarding Forsyth this incredible award. As you know, or as you may know, 2010 is Forsyth's centennial, and we've been around for 100 years of, I think, unparalleled contributions in the areas of public service, research, and community service. Forsyth has transformed itself numerous times over its history. In the 1950s and 60s, it became predominantly a research institute under the visionary leadership of Jack McDonald and Jack Hine, who recruited an amazing cadre of wonderful scientists whose contributions are unparalleled in the field. In 2010, we are again transforming the Institute. The Institute will be moving to a new state-of-the-art location in Kendall Square in Cambridge, and we expect that the contributions of the Institute will continue in its new home. But in addition to its proud research tradition, since this is a DIA and it is an educational organization, I just wanted to note that Forsyth has always been extremely committed to education as well. The dental hygiene school at Forsyth was founded in 1916, one of the first hygiene programs in the United States. One of the first orthodontics programs in the U.S. was founded at Forsyth by Conrad Maurice. And over many years, Forsyth and the Harvard School of Dental Medicine have collaborated in graduate research and clinical training. Forsyth always has been and still is about its people. There are so many wonderful people who have passed through Forsyth, who have contributed to its enormous reputation, way too many over 100 years to mention, obviously. But it's really on behalf of all of these wonderful people and their groundbreaking contributions to research, to education, to our humanitarian outreach, and to leadership in academic dentistry that I accept this award with great humility tonight. Thank you very much.